Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today is a great day. You know why? Because the Traxxas Maxx is here. It is essentially a 1/10 scale X-Maxx with 4S capability. On release, it will come in 3 colors, orange as seen here, as well as red and blue. The first delivery models are equipped with the LED light kit. The kit will be available separately for consumers. Just like the X-Maxx, the Maxx has a clipless body and uses a quick release and body reinforcements on the body. To insert the battery, simply open the tray like so. Then insert the battery of your choice. This first delivery Maxx is equipped with a power amplifier for the lights. It comes standard with 2 fans for cooling the motor and the ESC. It also has a 285 ounce servo just like the one in the X-Maxx. Now let's take it out for a quick spin on this rainy day. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe, thank you and have a great day.